The Isle of Eigg, a name whispered on the wind, a jewel hidden amidst the turbulent beauty of the Scottish Hebrides. Shrouded in mist and legend, it rises from the sea, a land sculpted by time and tide. Eigg is a place of dramatic landscapes, where towering cliffs meet the crashing waves and rolling hills give way to secluded beaches. But Eigg is more than just a beautiful island. It holds a secret, a story of resilience, community, and a deep connection to the natural world. Here, on this remote island, a community thrives, not just surviving, but flourishing in harmony with nature. Eigg is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the importance of sustainable living. The wind whispers tales of Eigg's past, carrying the echoes of ancient stories across the heather-clad hills. Once ruled by clan feuds and Viking raids, Eigg's history is as dramatic as its landscape. The island's most famous landmark, the Skur of Eigg, stands as a silent sentinel, its jagged peak piercing the sky. Formed from volcanic rock, the Skur offers breathtaking views of the surrounding islands, a reminder of the powerful geological forces that shaped this land. The wind whispers through the ruins of ancient castles, whispers of battles fought and lives lived. It carries the laughter of children playing on the beach, the sound of traditional music drifting from the community hall. Eigg's story is etched in stone, in the very fabric of the island itself. The dramatic cliffs that plunge into the sea tell a tale of volcanic eruptions and ancient seas. Fossils embedded in the rocks whisper of creatures long gone, while the layers of sandstone and basalt paint a picture of geological time. Walk along the shore, and you might find yourself holding a piece of quartz, sparkling in the sunlight, a reminder of the Earth's hidden treasures. Eigg's unique geology is not just a spectacle, it is the foundation of the island's sustainable way of life. Eigg is a beacon of hope, a shining example of how communities can thrive while living in balance with nature. At the heart of this sustainable way of life lies a remarkable achievement: Eigg's self-sufficient energy system. Powered by wind, water, and sun, the island generates its own electricity, freeing itself from dependence on fossil fuels. This innovative system is more than just a technological marvel. It is a symbol of the island's commitment to a sustainable future. The gentle hum of the wind turbines and the steady flow of the river that powers the hydroelectric system are testaments to the ingenuity and determination of Eigg's community. Echoes of the past. On Eigg, the past is not forgotten, but woven into the fabric of everyday life. The islanders are the keepers of their own history, passing down stories from generation to generation. Gather around a peat fire in the local pub, and you might hear tales of the island's turbulent past. Stories of the notorious Massacre Cave, where islanders sought refuge from invaders, only to meet a tragic end. Or the legend of the sleeping giant, said to be buried beneath the Skur, his slumber guarding the island's fate. These stories are more than just folklore. They are a connection to the island's soul, a reminder of the resilience and spirit of its people. The people of Eigg are the true guardians of this island paradise. With a deep respect for their environment, they have created a way of life that is both sustainable and deeply fulfilling. Community is at the heart of everything on Eigg. Islanders work together, sharing resources and supporting each other. From farming and fishing to running the island's shop and guest house, everyone plays a part in keeping Eigg thriving. This sense of community extends beyond human interaction. The islanders understand that they are part of a delicate ecosystem and live in harmony with the natural world around them. Egg is a place where time seems to move differently. The rhythms of nature dictate the pace of life, from the changing seasons to the ebb and flow of the tide. Spend time on Egg, and you'll find yourself drawn into this slower, more mindful way of being. Rise with the sun, breathe in the fresh sea air, and let the tranquility of the island wash over you. Watch the waves crash against the cliffs, marvel at the ever-changing colors of the sky, and listen to the symphony of birdsong that fills the air. Egg offers a chance to reconnect with yourself and the natural world, to rediscover a sense of wonder and awe that is often lost in the hustle and bustle of modern life. Leaving Egg is never easy. The island has a way of capturing your heart, of staying with you long after you've left its shores. As you sail away, the silhouette of the schooner receding into the distance, you carry with you a sense of peace, a renewed appreciation for the simple things in life, and a deep respect for the delicate balance of nature. Egg is a reminder that another way of life is possible, a way of life that is sustainable, community-driven, and deeply connected to the natural world. It emerges as a beacon of hope, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the importance of protecting our planet for future generations. The Isle of Eigg stands as a beacon of hope, not just for Scotland, but for the world. In a time of climate change and environmental uncertainty, Eigg offers a powerful example of what can be achieved when communities come together to create a sustainable future. Its self-sufficient energy system, its deep respect for the environment, and its strong sense of community are an inspiration to us all. Egg's story is a reminder that even in the face of adversity, even in the most remote corners of the world, hope can flourish. It is a call to action, urging us to protect our planet and create a more sustainable future for generations to come. Eigg is more than just an island. It is a symbol of hope, a testament to the power of human resilience, and a shining example of what we can achieve when we work together in harmony with nature.